Hello students, let's study about real numbers. Part 2. Source. If n is an integer greater than 1 and if a is a positive real number and nth root of a is x, then it is written as x raised to n is equal to a, or nth root of a is equal to x. If a is a positive rational number and nth root of a is x, here nth root of a is equal to x is given. A is a positive rational number and nth root of a is equal to x, and if x is an irrational number, then x is called a surd. Means surd is an irrational root. Listen carefully. If n is an integer greater than 1, means value of n is always greater than 1. If a is positive real number and nth root of a is x, then it is written as x raised to n is equal to a, or nth root of a is equal to x. In this solution, if a is positive rational number and nth root of a is x and x is an irrational number, then x is called a surd. That means surd is an irrational root. Means value of nth root of a is irrational, then it is known as surd. In a surd, nth root a, this symbol is called radical sign. Means this symbol is also known as square root and this symbol is known as radical sign. N is the order of the surd. Means nth root a, n is order. This symbol is known as radical sign. And a is radicand. Means in the nth root of a, n is order. This symbol is known as radical sign and a is known as radicand. For example, let a is equal to 7. Means radicand is 7. N is equal to 3. Means cube root of 7. Then cube root of 7 is surd. Why it is surd? Because cube root of 7 is an irrational number. That's why this example is an surd. Second, let a is equal to 27. A is equal to 27. And n is 3, means order of the surd is 3. We know cube root of 27 is 3 and 3 is a rational number. 3 is not an irrational. Therefore, it is not a surd. Means cube root of 27 is not a surd, but cube root of 7 is a surd. Simplest form of surd. Cube root of square root of 48. Means here value of n is 2. Order is not given, means order of the surd is 2. Square root of 48 is equal to, its factors are 16 into 3. Means square root of 16 into square root of 3 and square root of 16 is 4. Means 4th root 3. 4 root 3 is the simplest form of square root of 48. Second example, square root of 98. Here also order is 2, means n is equal to 2. 49 into 2 means 98. Square root of 49 into square root of 2 and square root of 49 is 7. Therefore 7th root of 2. Root 2, root 3, root 5 and so on. This type of surds are in the simplest form which cannot be simplified further. Root 2, root 3, root 5 is an irrational numbers. similar or like such. Root 2 minus 3 root 2 4 upon 5 root 2 are some like such. Why these are like such? Here order is equal, order is not given, means n is equal to 2, and radical is same, here 2, here 2, here also 2. That's why these sets are like sets or similar sets. If p and q are rational numbers, then p root a and q root a are called like sets. Here order is equal and radical is also equal. Two sets are said to be like sets if their order is equal and radicals are equal. Means order and radicals are equal, then these sets are known as similar sets or like sets. Comparison of sets. Here two examples are given. First is 6 root 2 and 5 root 5. Order is not given, means order is equal to 2. 6 root 2 can be written as square root of 6 square into 2. 6 is outside the square root. तर 6 हे स्क्वेअर रूटच्या बाहेर आहेत. ते जर आपण स्क्वेअर रूट मध्ये घेतले तर त्याचा स्क्वेअर होईल, म्हणजे 6 स्क्वेअर into 2 is equal to 6 square is 36 into 2 and 36 into 2 is 2 6 is 12, carry 1, 2 3 is 6 plus 1 7, means root of 72. Here 5 root 5, similar process. Take 5 in the square root, means 5 square. 5 square into 5 is equal to 5 square is 25 and 25 into 5. 25 5 is 125. First third is root of 72 and next is root of 125. Square root of 125 is the biggest number. That's why square root of 72 is less than square root of 125, means 6 root 2 is less than 5 root 5. This is comparison of these two sets. Now second example, 8 root 3 and root of 192. 8 root 3 is equal to similar process. Take 8 in the square root, 8 square into 3 is equal to 8 square is 64 into 3 is equal to 3 4 is 12, carry 1, 3 6 is 18 plus 1 19, square root of 192, means value of 8 root 3 is square root of 192, and second third is given square root of 192. These two sets are equal sets. Square root of 192 is equal to square root of 192. Operations on like sets. Here some like sets are given, then operations on these sets. First example, simplify 7 root 3 plus 29 root 3. Here root 3 is common because its order is same and radical is also same. Root 3 is common. Here 7, middle sign is plus, and 29. 29 plus 7 is 36. 36 root 3. Second example, here also root 3 is common. 7 minus 29 common root 3. 29 is biggest number. 29 minus 7 is 22. Sign of biggest number is minus, that's why minus sign, root 3. This is the operation on like surds. Next example, multiply the surds. Root 7 into root 42. Order of the surds are equal. It can be written as square root of 7 into 42 is equal to, multiply these two numbers, 7 to the 14, carry 1, 7 4 the 28 plus 1, 29, means answer is 294. Divide the surds. Square root of 125 upon 5. Order of these two surds are also same, is equal to square root of 5 to 5 5 is 25 and 25 is the square of 5. That's why answer is 5. Rationalization of surds. If the product of two surds is a rational number, each surd is called a rationalizing factor of the other surd. Example, multiply root 2 into root 8. Root 2 into root 8 means 8 to the 16, root 16, and 16 is square of 4. 4 is a rational number. Therefore, root 2 is the rationalizing factor of root 8 and vice versa. Means root 8 is the rationalizing factor of root 2. Find the rationalizing factor of root 27. Root 27 is equal to 9 3 is 27, 9 into 3. 9 is the square of 3 is equal to 3 root 3. Therefore, 3 root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. 3 3 is a 9. Therefore, root 3 is the rationalizing factor of root 27. Note that root 27 is equal to 3 root 3 means 3 root 3 into 3 root 3 is equal to 3 3 is a 9 and root 3 into root 3 is 3. 9 3 is a 27. Hence, 3 root 3 is also rationalizing factor of root 27. Means there are two rationalizing factors of root 27, root 3 and 3 root 3. In the same way, some other rationalizing factors of root 27, 4 root 3, 7 root 3 are the rationalizing factors of root 27. Out of all these, root 3 is the simplest rationalizing factor. Thank you.